Pretty sure. Oh, but I'm not sure if they'll be the next ones to come out or not. No, see, that wasn't them. Here they come. Nope.
Is that Australia Jack?
I feel like Australia would wave, unless she's too scared.
Mom, is that Australia Jack?
I'm not sure. I wave.
That wasn't bad.
I think I saw it now. That time I think I might have saw Sebastian. It's harder to tell when they're... No, they weren't on that one.
I
No.
love watching like little kids that are like, I am forcing myself to keep my hands like Cody went on together. Yeah. That was awesome. Let's go see your pictures. No, it's okay.
I definitely saw Daddy and Australia. That was Daddy and Australia were on that one.
Okay, well I got it.
Now we gotta keep going because Elijah and Sebastian. Huh?
It was either right. No, it was right.
You guys get the things over here? No, don't put it on the table. You got your
I think they were on the one right before it because I saw what. I'm pretty sure Elijah waved at me.
He was found, an expedition found him.
Yeah, so maybe they have. That's why we're not sure yet because maybe they are coming through still, and we'll see them. They weren't on that one.
Australia had fun on it. He wasn't terrified. No, it's 15% remaining. Standing up on a rock.
Oh, I should get that side of it. It's kind of hard to go up there.
It was not scary at all. I will go on that again.
233.
I want to go on it.
I wanna hear all of
them. Yeah. See, that's why the boys were like,
So I'm thinking I might go back to the room.
I can see why the boys wanted to go again. Is that them?
No, I don't think so.
No, we're just waving to random people. I recorded every single one. The part is, yeah, when you drop back, it goes pitch black and you can't see it. When you drop, there's a part where you're driving through the thing backwards, but it's all black, so it doesn't even feel like you're going backwards. It just feels like you're still going forward, but that was still
What happens when you go to the part where you're like come to the edge?
To the broken part?
Yeah.
You sit there for a little bit and you drop it. But that part makes it seem like it's intense. You don't do anything. You go like this.
Yeah, like and then back.
And because they trick you. They trick you in thinking that part's intense. But then it isn't. You just go down and then you get up to this broken part and then you fall backwards and it's completely in the black and you're like driving backwards. And then it shows a scene how the part got broken. It's like this Yeti that comes out there and like breaks it.
Oh,
With
that's
like
cool.
a shadow. It's like a shadow.
I don't think so. The main drop though, right there, the one we're
Yeah, right there.
watching, that's the main drop.
Yeah, but it looks short, but it's really tall.
No, I just didn't know if like they were
Well,
you
this
and on
one
the
you
other
think
side.
you're
So
gonna go straight down when you
Yeah,
get to the
you
top,
just go-
but they actually mess with you, and then it goes out to the part that's the broken track. It looks like you're gonna go.
yeah.
But
And
what's-
That's
then
cool.
it backs into the dark, and then
And you're
you
like,
think you're done again, and then it throws you down.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I would.
But
actually
Mom,
like
guess
that 'cause
what?
It's pretty gentle and some. Oh, is that them? No, I think that's someone else.
we're just leaving for random people. Did
I
you see us?
clearly saw you when the three of you were when you and the boys run it together. I saw
Yeah,
you,
we saw you clear as day. Could you see me? No.
but I didn't get it on tape because Gracie thought.
Mom, the most hilarious part was, guess what? Everyone
Yeah,
threw
people
their,
fling their hair ties out.
everyone took their hair ties and were just,
What?
Yeah,
That must
like-
be a thing or something.
and there was like a rainbow balloon bracelet someone threw there. It was awesome. But
that
look
part
at,
over
you
there?
can see
Pretty
some
cool.
t-shirts right there. People like threw t-shirts.
Oh, that's pushing it.
Like everyone wanted to leave a mark, so they put their
Yeah,
t-shirts
but they can't take it to the point where it's just.
Yeah, t-shirts is ridiculous. I think I see Sebastian. No, he was wearing a blue shirt.
Yeah,
Where?
Sebastian was.
front, the second seat.
Sebastian
Are you
was
sure?
wearing a blue shirt?
Isn't he wearing a blue shirt?
Ah.
No, I don't think so.
Well, it's like.
Well, we'll find out if that was
no,
him.
it's not blue. It's like a. He has that reddish one with the
Oh.
black sleeves. There's the Angela. There's Sebastian. I
Why
saw.
she's not with Sebastian?
There's single riders.
Oh, single riders.
So he's on the next car down.
Yeah.
That is not.
Well, because they went, you all went together.